I still have a dream. It is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
Martin Luther King Jr. Day is a day set aside for the nation and world to honor a true American hero, civil rights movement leader Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Now, even though Dr. King wrote 5 books and delivered up to 450 speeches a year, he's best known and defined by his I Have a Dream speech he delivered on August 28, 1963, during the March on Washington. Although the key message in this speech is that all people are created equal, arguably the most impactful part of Dr. King's speech is when he shares the dreams that he had for this nation and his people. Dreams are important in having a life that is goal-oriented and purpose-focused. Dr. King's dreams didn't just move him to deliver a well-prepared amen address. They gave him an excellent visual picture of the potential future that extended beyond his own desires. Those good dreams that we have and hope for are the stuff that shape our vision of the future. They give us insight of the potential that exists in tomorrow, even when yesterday and today may seem hopeless. We all have dreams, but the vehicle that moves a good dream from a vision to a victory is action. Dr. King exercised so many character strengths that helped propel his visions and purpose during his life and even after his death. Strengths like bravery, perseverance, forgiveness, and even humor to provoke people to thought and to action. Just like Dr. King, we all have these and many more human strengths. If you want to learn more about how to discover and harness not just your strengths, but leverage your limitations as well, just go to realpurpose.com, either through the link on this video or through the QR code at the beginning and end of this video. I hope your day brings you love, respect, and real purpose.